Hi, I'm Ella Vera, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this 3D pumpkin cake with buttercream frosting. As usual, we start by stacking our cake layers. I'm using 3 layers of 8-inch round cake and my chocolate buttercream in between the layers. I like to chill my cake before cutting and shaping, so I wrap it with saran wrap to avoid the cake being dry in the fridge. In about half an hour or so, the buttercream should be firm enough to touch, and we can then carve the cake in a general rounded shape of a pumpkin with the signature cavity on the top. Once we're done with the carving, we can get a little bit of the pink buttercream frosting to crumb coat the entire cake surface. I do not frost a pumpkin cake with spatula like how I normally do for a regular cake, but instead I use a piping bag and frost the cake vertically from the bottom to the top, following the overall form of a pumpkin. I also thicken up on some needed areas, especially the middle part of the pumpkin sides. A small spatula finally comes in handy to generally smooth out the whole surface. Pay more attention on the bottom crease of the cake. We want to tuck the buttercream a little bit under the cake to make it look more rounded, like a pumpkin. And don't forget about the crater that we made on the top of the cake. Next, I'm using a flexi scraper to fine-tune the pumpkin shape further. This tool set came in 4 different shapes: 2 rounded rectangles, big and small, 1 circle, and 1 rounded edge triangle. What you see I'm using here is the rounded edge triangle, and I use the most pointy edge of it to chisel out finer grooves for the ribs. It will be so much easier if you work on a cold cake at this point. So pop it on the fridge first for about 15 minutes until the buttercream is pretty firm, and we can just smooth out the buttercream further using just the warmth of our fingers. Once you're happy with the pumpkin rind, we can go to the next step, which is making the stem. You can use fondant, gum paste, or even piled up amount of buttercream. But in this video, I'm using modeling chocolate. I give some texture on it by running a ball tool vertically across the body of the stem and pinch out a few of excess modeling chocolate on the base of it to make it kind of pointy at the end. And then I stretch and twist the top a little bit and leave the tip hanging in the air. We can also pop the stem in the fridge if it can hold its shape. And when it's firm and able to be handled, we can transfer it to the cake to be then painted in gold. I decided to add a little twisty stem, which I also painted in gold. To make the paint, I mix gold highlighter dust with lemon extract. And as the finishing touch, I add a gold wafer paper leaf. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more videos like this, feel free to hit the subscribe button and click the little bell icon right next to it to get notified every time I upload a new video. So, until next time, bye!